you are right now, take a moment to relax and enjoy some surprising moments that might just make your day better.
Oh, God.
Looks like that sheep has its own little plan for her. Her jump over it didn't work out. Luckily, she's okay after that hammock broke. She wobbled on the skateboard but managed to come out just fine. Thankfully, this was only material damage and everyone was safe. He got hit by the ball, but thankfully, he's fine.
Got the sunset behind her. Oh, she got a leg. Ooh.
Her attempt ended a little differently than planned. That horse gave her a shove and sent her to the ground. Good news, the only loss here was to property. That was nothing more than a quick scare, and he's fine. The board slipped away at the worst moment, sending him down. That little cycling mishap put him on the ground, but he's fine. His swing had plenty of power, just not enough control.
Oh no!
Oh no! Those dogs pulled her straight into the pond, but thankfully, she's okay. He fell off the bike, but thankfully, he's doing fine. She lost her balance near the water and ended up taking a dip. She slipped into the shallow water. Her swing went wrong, and the ball didn't go where she planned. She went down unexpectedly, yet she was able to shake it off. one unexpected move turned dinner into quite a scene, with no injuries. He lost his balance and went down hard, but he's doing fine. She trusted that little stool a bit too much, and down she went. The mud completely swallowed his landing, but he's doing fine. Her balance gave out halfway across, sending her right into the pool. His balance disappeared in an instant, and down he went. That little stunt got out of hand fast, but he's okay. That gym move got a little shaky, but thankfully, she's okay. She gave it a try, but her balance had other plans.
3.
The jump started strong and finished with an unexpected tumble. Despite how sudden it looked, everyone nearby came out unharmed. Her chair slipped out from under her, but thankfully, she's okay. That painting session took an unexpected turn in just 1 second. That exit from the motorcycle didn't go smoothly, but she wasn't hurt.
Tape.
She wasn't paying attention for a moment, but she came out just fine. He got out of the way just in time, and thankfully, he's safe. The board shifted beneath her, and the water welcomed her a little early. She lost her footing and ended up sitting right in the water. She tried to balance on the soccer ball, but it didn't work out. I expected the bag to move, not the entire setup. The bike tipped over and sent them both down, but nobody was hurt. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed every moment, and thanks for spending a little part of your day with us. See you next time.